Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of rational number. This is 9th question of its exercise 9.1. So the question says that which is greater in the each of the following. So first is 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. So firstly हम इन्हें like fraction में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. So like fraction में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इसे हम 2 by 2 and इसे 3 by 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So हो जाएगा 4 by 6 and 5 3 जा 15 by 6. So denominator same है. So हम numerator compare कर लेंगे. So 15 is greater than 4. So 4 by 6 is less than 15 by 6. Then second, minus 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. So firstly हम इसे like fraction में convert कर लेंगे. So इसलिए हम इसे 2 by 2 से multiply कर देंगे. So हो जाएगा minus 5 by 6 and minus 8 by 6. So denominator same है. So directly हम numerator compare कर लेंगे. So minus 5 is greater than minus 8. So minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 8 by 6. So यहाँ पे साइन आ जाएगा हमारे पास this. यहाँ पे साइन आ जाएगा less than. Then third is minus 3 by 4 and 2 by minus 3. So like fraction में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे firstly. 3 by 3 and 4 by 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So 3 3 are 9 minus 9 by 12 upon 8 by minus 12. So यहाँ पर नंबर से minus 9 and minus 8 साइन नेगेटिव डिनोमिनेटर में हो न्यूमरेटर में हो हम किसी में काउंट कर सकते हैं. So minus 9 is less than minus 8. So minus 9 by 12 is less than minus 8 by 12. So आ जाएगा यहाँ पे less than का साइन. Then fourth is minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So this is negative and this is positive. So positive is always greater than negative number. So directly आ जाएगा minus 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 4. Then fifth, minus 3 is to 2 by 7 and 3 is to 4 by 5. So ये negative number है and this is positive number. So we can say directly that positive number is always greater than negative number. So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा less than का साइन. Negative number is less than positive number. So minus 3 is to 2 by 7 is less than 3 is to 4 by 5. Thank you.